Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to fix the touchscreen on this laptop. So first, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager in here. Once you find it, open it. Then find the HID compliant Human Interface Devices. Expand this tab. And then find HID compliant touch screen. Open this window, go to the driver tab, and in case your device is disabled and it says enable device right here, then click right here to enable your device. Alternatively, you can restart it by clicking disable, then confirming by clicking yes, and then enable it again. And then see if it started working, and in case it didn't, then you can select uninstall device, uninstall, then open the Start menu, go to power options, select restart, and wait until your device restarts. Once your device is restarted, you can check if the touch screen started working again, and if it didn't, let's first return to the device manager. So look it up, open it, then go to Human Interface Devices, HID compliant touchscreen, open, then driver, and then select update driver and search automatically for drivers. And if Windows finds any drivers for your touchscreen, then they will be automatically installed. But in case it didn't happen, then you can update your drivers in two ways. The first one is to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Windows Update right here, and then go to, then select Check for Updates, and also check the advanced options, optional updates, and if you have any driver updates here, then select all of them and click install. Now the other way, and the additional way to update your drivers, especially very specific ones, is by using MyASUS application, which should be pre-installed on your PC. It looks like this, and you can open it using F12 button. Now if you don't have it on your PC, don't worry, you can still download it. To do that, go to browser, go to the search engine and search for the MyASUS. You will immediately see the official ASUS website, and here all you have to do is close this pop-up windows, then click download now, and on the following page click download, and you will download the installation file. Just open it, run it, and wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your computer. And once it's installed, you'll have to sign in to your account in this application, and then go to System Update section, check for updates, and check if there are any driver updates. If there are any updates for your touchpad driver, for your touchscreen, then they will be downloaded and installed automatically. And the same goes to Windows Update. If Windows finds any updates, they will be downloaded and installed, and if you have to restart your computer afterwards, you will be notified. And once the updates are installed and the changes applied, your touchpad should return back to normal. And in case it didn't happen, then in such case it might be a hardware problem. In such case, I suggest that you contact ASUS customer support service or reach to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.